All right, we got a beautiful XLR right here. 2 doors, 2 ACs, party deck, LED lighting, solar. It's got a Yamaha generator. It's got a power rear bed that comes down. These 2 rears will turn into a sleeper. You got 2 bathrooms. All this closes up. Look at that. Another AC back here. Look at this solar. But look at this. This will turn into a sleeper right here. So you literally have 5 beds. But look how beautiful. XLRs always sell fast, especially with the new Yamaha generator. But look at this. Get your own private bedroom and a nice bathroom.